birthday wish siguro is for everyone to be happy with where they are at now and to continue playing healthy, no injuries, and just for the team naman to gel more and to have more confidence and more passion and pride with what we're doing.
Personally,
wala na, okay na ako, like, I have everything. Na joke lang. Siguro boyfriend. Oh my God! Joke lang yun, joke lang. My wish for myself.
Alam niya na.
Siguro just a good rest. Itong break namin. Yun lang yung hinahabol ko. Like to take a breather and to reflect then. So I can appreciate, working harder more.